Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers here again. Just thought I'd do another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So as you can see behind me, it's a little bit on the old sort of white misty side, but it has been nice and dry, very dry, with a couple of sort of bits of the blue sky and nice sunshine poking through. So today we've got to have a car where you can really push with a gorgeous little snickety sort of manual gearbox, but you're not really too bothered that it's a little bit misty out there. So something with a hard top, definitely can't be a convertible, it's not nice enough for that, or a supercar, just an out and out sports car. I would say, yeah, like I say, it's got to be a hard top, it's got to be something, I think I've got an idea. So it's got to be something from the land that brought us sausage and strudel. Strudel would be nice now, actually. So that would be the old Germany. So some of you are starting to obviously have an idea. It's got to be from the south of Germany, so Stuttgart, which has probably given you a massive idea. I would say, yeah, definitely something with a nice 493 horsepower, 4-litre flat six. 4-litre flat six! That is what you want. I would say with a couple of nice either green or red double stripes going down it, which obviously some of you all know straight away what car it is now. I would say the perfect car to drive today is the Porsche 911R. So yeah, the Porsche 911R I definitely think would be the perfect car to drive today. This combination of 400, like I said, 493 horsepower, 4-litre flat six, 4-litre flat six, which revs out to 8,250 RPM. Just, oh my god, just imagine the noise. That'd be amazing. That with the gorgeous interior that they do in Porsches nowadays, that would be the perfect car to drive today. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.